उधर कांग्रेस महंगाई को लेकर सरकार को घेर रही है। इसी सिलसिले में कर्नाटक में भी कांग्रेस कारकुनान ने कांग्रेस भवन के आगे मुजाहिरा किया है। दूध, दही, पनीर जैसे पैकिंग वाले सामान को जीएसटी के दायरे में लाए जाने से इनकी कीमतों में इजाफा हो सकता है, जिसे लेकर कांग्रेस सरकार को घेरती हुई नजर आ रही है।
What is the Narendra Modi government is imposing the tax terrorism is a anti-people's policy of the every day you use the commodities of rice, wheat, pen, and in all each and every materials also impose the tax. This is a anti-national policy of the peoples. Very difficult to live their life. We immediately want to withdraw this tax system. Naveen Chandra.
The reason is actually, unfortunately, we have selected a bad administrator called by Narendra Modi. The GST has been utilized in a very bad sense, and as well as it has been sucking the blood of the common people. All the essential commodities prices have been initiated with the GSTs. It is come under the GST tax bracket, and it is actually very pathetic that it is actually not being done in a very fair perspective. So we feel that the people have come to know the real colors of Achedin of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is not the kind of the administration we are expecting. Actually, we need a common man's administration which is fair and square, and which is very people friendly. And we urge that as a citizen of India, he need to step down from his current position.